What up, guys? This week, Taylor decided to ball on a budget and paint his rims. First, he has to sand them down. Check it out.
But got my new cool Baxter sander here. Getting the insides of these wheels. Alright, so I got the wheel all sanded down. I'm about to start taping it off and get the primer on it. Should be pretty sweet. Got a couple of test sprays already. I thought that it came out from over here, which is dumb of me. It comes out of that little red nozzle. Sweet. Basically, I'm just gonna get after it and do a couple of coats. Should probably tape that valve cover. Yeah, it'll be fine. Set you guys up and get cracking. Sweet. Pretty good. I'll get the color we're gonna do. This is what I'm planning on doing. Matching. Alright. Just got the second coat on. She's looking pretty good. Let this sit for 10-20 minutes. Come back out and hit it with that clear coat, baby. One wheel done. 3 more to go. Woo.